Today, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Gmail account on your laptop. Whether you're using a shared computer or simply want to secure your account when you're done checking emails, knowing how to properly sign out is essential for keeping your information safe. First, open your web browser and navigate directly to mail.google.com. Make sure you're already signed in to the Gmail account you want to log out from. This ensures you're on the correct page where you can access all the necessary account options. Next, look toward the top right corner of your Gmail page. You'll see your profile picture or initial icon displayed there. This icon is your gateway to managing your account settings and sign-out options. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your Google account. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Sign Out. Click on it to log out of your Gmail account on this laptop. This action will immediately end your current session and protect your emails from being accessed by anyone else using the same device. Now, if you happen to be signed in to multiple Gmail accounts simultaneously, there's a convenient option for you. Instead of signing out of each account individually, you can click Sign Out of All Accounts. This will log you out from every Gmail account you're currently signed into, saving you time and ensuring complete security across all your accounts. There's also an optional step you might want to consider. If you're using a shared or public computer and want to remove your account from the sign-in list entirely, click on Remove an Account. This will show you a list of accounts associated with this browser. Choose the account you want to remove and click Remove. This step ensures that your email address won't appear as an option the next time someone tries to sign in on this laptop. Once you've signed out, you'll be automatically redirected to the Gmail sign-in page. This confirms that you've successfully logged out and your account is now secure. Thanks for watching.